Hello everybody, welcome back. And if you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share, comment down there at the bottom. The new YouTube algorithm doesn't know you're there unless you interact with the video somehow. um, Tonight I'm gonna show you some of the night features that this vehicle has. Night features meaning, you know, the things that it does for you at night, interior or exterior. So let me get to this. I'm gonna have to cut off these lights, these outside lights on my house, so I can show you guys better. Alrighty, I'm back. Now first things first, it's the perimeter lighting when you lock or unlock the vehicle. You'll see it kicks on the fog lights. You've got these mirror lights underneath the mirror. It kicks on the parking lights. This is what they call safe entry. It helps you come and go from your home when it's dark out. See, it just kicks the fog lights on. No front parking lights. Then, just coming into the car, you get the door sill lights. That's the door sill. Underneath, the footwells, all the footwells have these nice little LEDs. See, every door's got the trim light. Let me see if I can start her up for you guys so it's not so dark. I like to start off with the mirrors. The mirrors have the lighted mirrors. Sorry, that's my washer fluid. And you've got the dual mirror, so you got that magnified. And that's on both sides. Where you got the two mirrors. Now when you've got the parking lights on, this is what the parking lights on. As you can see, I've got all these other lights, and all my Audis have always had these little light bulbs here, and it's supposed to shine down around here. It's kind of like a map light. And of course we've got the interior lights. Like I said, we've got the LEDs under the seats, all the seats. The ashtrays even got their own little lights. All four doors have puddle lights. This is what they're called, puddle lights. These are safety lights, so when you have your door open at night, people know you have your door open. That's also on all four doors, including the puddle light. So every ashtray, every power port has lights. I don't think I've got one in the no. I'm going to you can see I've got the xenon lights. For those that don't know what these are, those are your fog lights. Push, if you just turn it all the way to the light on, you can't do it when you're on auto. But one pull is the front fog lights. The second pull, you see the light is on. Those are your rear fog lights. These down here are your rear fog lights. And over here would be your reverse light. And those have been with me before know that I've changed out this bulb in here. So these are your parking lights and brake lights. Up here is the blinker. There's even a cool little light in the trunk, if I can get in there and to show you. Nice little lights in there. Not many cars have lights in their trunks. And that's about it for the lights. I just wanted to show you guys the perimeter lighting. This is what they call the interior lights. And like I was saying, when you come home, so you turn the car off and your other lights come on. Now you can set a timer to it. Obviously I got mine on short timer, so I don't park far from the door. But if you lock it, everything goes away. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Be nice to each other, like, subscribe. I've got another video coming for this car very soon, and I don't know if it's going to be an oil change video or if I'm just going to be driving it around a little bit. But just stay tuned, subscribe. Let's see what happens with my neglected Audi. I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, subscribe, comment down there in the bottom, give me some input, and be nice to each other, and peace out.